Yeah. We're in the middle of nowhere, guys. This is in Groothoek, which is located about 70, 80 km from Polokwane, 20 km from Dendron or Makwadi to get here. Joburg, from here we left in the morning around 7, and it's about 400 odd 56 or 500 or so kilometers from Joburg. Yeah, and my son is trying to install the signage back because we used cable ties previously which have withered due to the weather. Therefore we need to put wire harnesses to them so that it doesn't, yeah, men at work in short. So this is the pit, signboard installed with wire. The other one is that side, secured by a fence from a duty of care, NEMA and responsible owner. I think we've met obligation. Yeah, that is how it looks like inside. We're told it's about 8-9 meters deep, but we don't know, more or less. Putting signage, guys. Joys of adventure with my son here. We are at work. We don't only ride and caravan for nicks, we work. To find the adventures, you gotta work. So this is what we do to find the adventures. So we weave in work and adventure together, because a man must work to be happy and to be able to find all the stuff that we enjoy doing. So yeah, joys of adventure. You see this road, this used to be the decline or incline shaft. It used to run from there going all the way that direction. Yeah. So if you manually wanted to go in the pit, you'd come through I think there was a conveyor going down in there. Yep. They are down there. Cool. Just keep an eye in case we see another one. Then we're out. We are heading out. We are done for the day. Still holding. You just need to put one wire there. If they are rubbers, just put 2 on top and at the bottom. This one is your 10. Cut 1, and then yeah. They want to see. You pull 1 and cut 1.
Can I have yours?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It blends very well with the, you see the video when it comes out. It blends very well with the, in terms of contrasting the blue and the green and this gray stuff where we are walking through. Yeah, I think that's enough.
Father God,
You gotta be going.
search my heart and examine my ways.
Heading out.
If there is anything in me that does not reflect your will, remove it with mercy.
I think you better go.
Cleanse my thoughts, realign my desires, break every attachment that pulls me away from you. I release control, I release
Very
fear.
hot.
I release the habit of trying to fix everything on my own. Teach me how to surrender without feeling like I am losing myself. Teach me how to trust you